Hey, it's Adam from Resolution Audio Video in the Brooklyn Navy Yard in Brooklyn, and two really amazing special things happened this year at Resolution Audio Video. One, we became a Technics dealer. Two, Maddie joined our team. So everybody say hi to Maddie. Say hi in the comments.
Hey guys, so we got in the Technics SL-50C turntable, so we're gonna just be unboxing that today. It looks like it's packed very nicely, so it's definitely not moving if you get it shipped to you. So after removing the top box, it looks like the turntable is right beneath it, and it is packed in very tight. The platter was underneath the turntable, and just like magic, we got it out of the box. So let's take a look at this platter. I really do like the packaging of this. It's very intuitive, actually. So it's got a cover on it too, so there we go. Yeah, and we're just gonna pop this bad boy on. Easy peasy. So in this box, we just have the dust cover, but we're gonna save that for later because it will definitely get in my way. And in the small white box, we have the counterweight, and it looks like a 45 adapter, and then the cartridge already mounted in its head shell. And then we also have the interconnect and the power cable. And we found the platter mat with the lid, so we'll go ahead and put that on. All right, and as you notice here, we did already put on the cartridge and the counterweight. Super easy, just plug this in, tighten it up here, and then tighten it up on the back, or the counterweight up on the back. So very, very easy, super plug and play. And before we talk about the SL-50, let's talk about Technics. Technics is a Japanese company that's been in business for over 60 years. They've been making turntables for almost 55 years. This is not a fly-by-night operation. And in 1970, Technics designed and released the world's first direct drive turntable, the legendary SP-10. Direct drive turntables eliminate the need for a belt, which can cause some problems for many turntables. So the SL-50 sells for $8.99, which is not inexpensive, but the value is all here. So this turntable delivers real performance without the intimidation factor. Cartridge comes pre-installed, the geometry is already handled, and you don't need to be a turntable expert to get great sound out of the box. I would bet that most consumers who install their own cartridges on their turntables probably didn't get it exactly right, which means they're not getting the sound that they're supposed to be getting, and that makes us very sad. And it's to no fault of their own. There are so many parameters with getting a cartridge just right, but with this turntable, there's nothing to worry about. The included cartridge is an Ortofon 2M Red, a highly revered cartridge that's known for its price performance value. If purchased separately, this cartridge is $100 just by itself. And the good news is the needle is completely replaceable just in case those pesky Muppets bump into it. The motor in the SL-50 is derived from the legendary SP-10, which makes its operation fuss-free, solid, and reliable. And most importantly, sonically stunning. The SL-50 comes in some amazing color options. The one we have today is terracotta brown, and you can also get it in black and gray. And we absolutely love the built-in Phono stage, which means you don't have to worry about matching cartridges to your Phono preamps or getting lost in the weeds before you even play your first record. And well, heck, you don't even need to know what a Phono preamp is. This means you can plug the SL-50 into virtually anything you want, whether it's an old receiver or a fancy smart speaker. At Resolution Audio, we're all about creating the perfect sound. The SL-50 makes it easy to make beautiful music in your home. And then here's the deal. You could have a $200,000 turntable, but if it's not set up correctly, it's not gonna matter. And it's not gonna sound any better than the one we have here today. Setting up a turntable is extremely difficult. The fact that this one comes ready to go, you don't have to do anything, just plug it in and go. The SL-50 gets all of this right. Setup, sound, and price. For this reason, the SL-50 earns the title of our favorite turntable of the year. Our goal at Resolution Audio Video is to get beautiful music in as many homes as we can. And this turntable really helps us achieve that. So come on down and give it a listen.